Yes.
Shawarma. So here we are again in the streets of Abu Shagara to find one of the fan-praised, critically acclaimed. By critically acclaimed, I mean one Mr. Critic, Mr. Varun Menon. He just keeps talking about this. And I need to confess before we start, I have actually tried this shawarma before. However, those were under different conditions, which I also have a video of, which I can show in the middle over here. So, me and this Mr. Varun Menon went to a resort with a bunch of other people. Unfortunately, Mr. Madhav Narayan was not there. So he can try for the first time today. So we were like, what should we have for dinner, dude? And he was like, dude, shawarma, dude. This place, sexy, dude. Right next to my house, sexy. And we tried it, but since it was delivery and we were at a resort, it came out to be very soggy when we got it. And unfortunately, Mr. Varun Menon broke a very important rule I made, where I said no spicy shawarma, no spicy shawarma, and he broke. I cannot accept this. So we will give it another try today. And this place, Farooj Al Sham. This won't be a first experience for me, but I will show a clip of my first ever experience now. Where is the shawarma? I need to review the shawarma, dude. This is the shawarma search.
So it's like a Zoom meeting. You either say got it or you leave the meeting.
Come on. Okay, wait. I need to review. Please stop the music. Serious mode. Fries are solid.
Of course, my fucking liquid fries are right.
Only can you put the cap on?
Could have been crispier.
It's soggy. It's home delivered.
I don't care.
Not valid.
I
Not
will
valid.
review.
Not a valid Rubik's.
Okay.
Cube.
What are our rubrics?
Sex. And.
Okay. Abhay, please move. They need to see me eating.
Oh, it's already it's recording.
3, 2, 1.
Official review. Out of 10.
We've already got an orgasm. This is the chicken by itself.
That was good, no?
Chicken is juicy,
Moist.
moist.
That's all.
That's a good word. Bread is solid. It's not very crispy on the outside, but it is very soft and very nice. Like could have been a bit more flakier, but still good. The chicken is good. I said that. Is there anything else on this?
Hey, you guys can't taste the sauce?
You can.
No,
Okay,
sauce
ask
is
Cameron.
wait. So sauce is very interesting here.
This is a spicy shawarma. Do you think this qualifies as a spicy shawarma?
Yes.
This
No.
is a spicy
It
shawarma,
qualifies as shawarma.
but Mr. Menon did not order regular, so what can I do?
Does it qualify as
Oh,
a
yeah.
spicy shawarma? I mean, it's good
Yeah,
enough.
only as
It's
regular,
barely
no?
spicy. It's good enough for a normal as well.
Yeah.
I took pickle.
Oh, let's go. There's some
Primal,
pickle
should I
in
have
here.
it then?
Always,
Primal.
I appreciate
Primal.
pickle. This is long pickle. Nice.
Yeah,
I like
we did a
that.
special review for it.
It's like sliced shit. I feel like marination could have been a bit better, but like that is the small pick. It is still good chicken. French fries.
Big one?
Felt like it is not needed, but it is fine. It does not add anything, but it does not remove anything.
It does that. I have so many issues with their review. What the fuck?
No. Wrong. Your opinion is wrong.
Wrong.
Your opinion doesn't matter on the Dumbass channel.
Yeah.
Just like a woman in Saudi Arabia.
Other people are.
And that is not sexist because that is true and it's an issue. It's a prevailing issue in the country of Saudi Arabia.
So, positives. Sauce is good. Doesn't have the garlic sauce, but compromises that with some good spicy sauce,
It is.
which they made by like from scratch, as told by Mr. The Farooj expert, Mr. Varun Gokulnath Menon. Pickles being there, and I like the way they are cut. They're not some special ass pickles, but obviously pickles on shawarma are good. That is a no-brainer. I feel like the negatives. I feel like there is an overwhelming number of French fries. Again, not a big deal, but they could have skimmed down on the French fries and added more chicken. Bread, obviously, if it was hot and
They didn't
flaky
use garlic sauce.
and crispy,
Yeah.
I will give this. This is a good one. I will give this 8 out of 10. Any disagreements?
Yeah, me.
What do you think?
You guys didn't have
This is a fucking 10.
Never have falafel.
Okay,
This is a-
Arun is a bit biased.
Your mom is biased, and your mom's in the next room. So I'm going to stop. I retract my statement. I'm sorry. It's an 8 out of 10.
Sure.
I give it a 9 for the sake of not it being perfect, but I wouldn't mind saying a 10.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
told
really
you.
have any
So we got the bag. Going to the restaurant, it's a pretty small place, and they don't seem too friendly. But to be honest, what matters is the actual shawarma. Pretty big. This is a filling one. This is a good one. I like the size already. It feels filled. It feels nice and humongous. It seems like fresh, like it feels good. It's hot, like the burger. Let us take a peek. So already this looks really good. Like just looking at it, such bread, which is obviously the premium bread, and like literally you open it and first thing you see is chicken. Last time when we had hot burger, you know what the first thing we saw? Lettuce. Lettuce. That is a useless. Oh. Oh. That's good. That's good. First of all, bread. It is crispy but also soft and it's flaky. And the chicken, dude. Oh, dude, thank you for the light. You look at this. They covered it with the garlic sauce, which is a good one. I like the garlic sauce. The garlic sauce is very good. The chicken's flavors are truly popping. Popping. Look at that char, dude. Look at that char. The chicken is beautifully cooked. It could have been just dry, like slightly, but since the garlic sauce is there, like it provides the moisture, so it's fine. And yeah, they have pickles in it, which obviously is amazing. Also, they give, look at this huge piece of chicken. They are not messing around when they cut it. They don't just do the big piece. With that sauce in it.
You need to get laid.
I don't think it's better than the first one I had, which I still won't reveal the location of. But it's good, dude. It's good. I feel like the chicken, it is cooked well, but I feel like it's not that juicy, which I really like in a shawarma. Just like the juicy chicken. The sauce is great. Like they put a lot of french fries, which isn't a bad thing, but it isn't a good thing either. It's just there. It's not crispy. It doesn't provide anything. It's just filler. But again, these are small nitpicks, and for the amount you get, obviously this is 6 dirhams, bit more than the ones we had before. But it reflects on the quality. So I am almost done with mine, but Madhav has to try his. So he's trying this for the first time as well.
I'm dedicating this prize to Varun,
Yeah, dude.
photographer. Next post should include this.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, it is a good one.
Yeah, what he said. It's good, better than the old burger, but the problem is, you said the chicken was cooked well.
Yeah.
I think the chicken is too cooked.
Yeah, that's what I also said. Like, it's cooked well, but it's a bit overcooked.
Every shawarma I've eaten,
Yeah.
it's always been, soft.
Yeah. The parts where there's more garlic sauce, it works.
Bro, this French fry tastes like flesh. Pretty good. I would give it an 8. Okay.
Yeah, I would also give it an 8. Honestly, I was close to giving it a 9, but by the end, the garlic sauce ratio kind of dipped. And there was less garlic sauce and more chicken, which made it a bit dry. So I would still give it an 8, which was my original rating. So much didn't change, even though this was hot and crispy and shit. So we would give this an 8. Warren personally gives this a 10, but this is everyone's opinions. But I am the best. I give the best opinion. So all of you are wrong. Goodbye.